Oh, here, let me get you comfortable. I gotta get you comfortable. Hello. 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 How are you doing? Try not to. Oh, I'm trying. Hello. Are you a waitress? Hello, sweetheart. Let me see you. You can talk to me. Hello. What are you doing? Sorry. I don't know what to call that. It roots. Did you see that? Okay.
You want me to fix that name tag?
You got some inches you can come back, huh?
I'll take that.
There's a black thing down there. Oh.
Good boy! Good boy!
That!
Okay, I have a dog at home that just came through his crate.
All right, good
That
boy!
scared me!
He's like, fuck you. Glad you were holding him and not me. Yeah, that was close.
Uh-huh.
I thought she was gonna come through the wall.
Or maybe you want to go this way. Maybe I do.
Sorry, I'm not going to get in the way.
I'm taller than I am.
What's that? Boy, now this puppy's got some angulation.
Yeah, it's got a little more
Ooh.
turn above my arm.
Very balanced front to rear though, Nancy.
Right, yeah. For what I was packing, yeah. There.
Look at that little tail.
Got a little more length of body, just a little. Wow. That is some angulation.
That's a neuter.
And that was a
To get-
new.
To get this much length here, his daddy's real short through the tibia, super short, so he's like peg legged. So that's the correction that Nellie's making.
Nellie.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Nellie got something in her.
She got her little there. Walk over the front there, Megan.
There's my boy.
Oh, I wouldn't say anything. I'd not stand there.
Just stand there. Excitement is not our problem. This has got a tighter cat foot than the other one.
Boy, he does have nice feet.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, Lily's carrying a lot more, I think.
Huh?
Lily's carrying more.
You don't know what to do with all that angle, do you? Yeah, well, let's look at your eyeballs. Got good pigment. Look at the pigment he's got on his nose.
Mm-hmm.
Too many of these dogs in this breed have pink job pigment.
Do you see Nelly and his head and ears?
Yeah, the ears, yeah.
You see, I do with the head and
Bob
ears.
ears. Although they're not long, they're not as big as ears.
Okay.
You little roto-rooter. Here. It's a very uniform litter on heads. Of course, Glenn's got a nice strong head. I got nice heads out of him. I've read
You need to
Nellie's.
straighten up your side. Fine. Fine. It's bent backwards.
I've done this breeding before. Yeah, it's got nice growth plates.
There you go.
Hello, Bob.
You still want some video?
You don't have to do too much video on the